Hello there, tech viewers. Welcome back to our channel where we bring in some hottest tips and tricks which will supercharge your devices. In today's video, we're going to be doing Bluetooth tethering. Allows you to access the internet without you having to just wait for a Wi-Fi connection. Without much further ado, let's get started. Now, hold your smartphone. Actually, no hold. Anyway, open up your smartphone, go to settings, then go to portable hotspot. Sure that portable hotspot is on and Bluetooth tethering is on. If you're on iOS, then tap on personal hotspots and toggle on allow others to join. If you want to connect with other devices on Bluetooth tethering, all you need to do is to connect the receiver's phone and the sender's phone. You have to pair those two phones and then you have to connect them, and there you go. And what if you're hosting a portable hotspot on your mobile and connecting on a laptop? Well, I got that covered. First, go to system icon and tray and right click on the Bluetooth and then join a personal area network. Then from there you have to select any one of the device which is hosting, and then you have to click on connect using an access point. Thanks for joining me today on this epic adventure on the world of Bluetooth tethering, and if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and like, because I'm gonna hit 100 subscribers. Not what I'm gonna think of. And as always, if you have any questions or ideas, drop off in the comments.